welcome back to the channel, where this week we're heading to the Mecca for all car enthusiasts. That's right, we're heading back to Worthersee. It's been 5 years since we've been here, and we've been travelling all around Europe in the meantime, looking for another place that could be just as good. We've been to Italy, we've been to Croatia, we've been all throughout Germany, but facts are facts, nothing compares to this, and we're going to show you why. Let's go. So here we are then, we've made it to Worthersee, and this is home for the next few days. Got the team already round the table, doing some media from the drive here. So hello team.
Hello. Hi boys.
We've stayed in this spot a few times, probably 4 or 5 years now, and the reason being is we've got a load of our own space, but the main point that sets it off is that, look at that view. Feels good to be back at the lake. We've got a ton of events lined up for while we're here. We've got a warm-up event, a welcome event, the main event, and then there's going to be a load of other little meets going on in amongst that as well. But for now, we've got to get down to the gas station, get the cars cleaned, then we're going to take a drive around, see what else is going on. Let's get to it. Three, I think.
I think 4.
Why is that Shumpalumbums? Ah, 4. Yeah, I don't want to brush. I definitely don't want to brush. You know when you pick a wheel and you think, yeah, that would be fun. Oh, bring back some 3 spokes that are all smooth and round, and I can wash them with one wash machine.
Both?
Yeah, both.
What?
Rinse the wash mitt for Pascal. Maybe you do this job.
Yeah. Come on. Take some water for me, please, inside. Thank you. You're so,
you know how to
such a
get
nice
water,
guy.
right?
I don't want to make everything wet
Du musst den
inside.
Wasser aufdrehen, Wasser
I know,
rein
but
und wieder
everything is
zudrehen.
on the floor then. Oh, don't be so rude. I'm your colleague. Colleague.
Yeah, Benny, tell me about your new car.
Yeah, that's a GTV. It's built in 2000. It's a factory Bayside Blue, and yeah, I know it's an automatic.
I know, I've got a problem with this.
But it's a daily.
What are these watermarks?
Oh yeah, it come from the port. It come freshly from Japan. Take me 3.5 months.
3.5 months?
Yeah, even US to K was faster here in Germany. Oh, we have to. Yeah, of course you can help me. Yeah. Yeah, Gareth, what you're thinking, Mr. Kitchen?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it too. Yeah.
So, our van won't fit in a wash box here, so we're left with no other options. Lucky we brought out a product called Rapid, because what we can do is put this in a bucket, wash a panel at a time, rinse it down, dry it, and yeah, we haven't got to worry about shampoo or getting to a jet wash. It's not ideal if the car's really filthy, but thankfully it wasn't that bad getting here. The worst thing's the flies, but we've got a solution for that, which we'll show you in a bit. I'm going to use a bit of citrus power on those at the end, and then use the Rapid over the top to wash them down. How have we got the smallest person to do the roof? So this is how you do the roof of a van that's too tall for anyone to reach from the floor. You send the smallest person up in the air. Oh, you're doing a top job. Good job. Well done, lads. Good job. Everyone's just watching. That's it. Moral support. That's it. Keep the moral support up. I can't really talk. I'm just stood down here watching. Yeah, you're doing a great job up there.
Yeah.
Keep up the good work. What do you think?
Oh, love it.
Very professional.
We are in Klagenfurt. I don't actually know where we are, but this is the warm-up meeting, like a welcome meeting that XS put on for all the traders and all the guys that are here with their cars for the bigger event that comes on later on. A little bit unsure what's happening. It's all a little bit hectic, but we've got clean cars, a clean van, some stuff coming out of the van. We're going to set up and see what's what.
What's happened then?
Tell you what's happened, it started bloody raining. If we'd have left when I said half hour later, we would have turned up here when it was raining and not bothered getting all of this out of the bloody van. But here we are, packing up, 5 minutes after setting up. Wörthersee. Here you go, Gareth, I have a storage solution for you.
Great idea. Oh look! It was made for it! That's cool.
Yeah, and it's got turbo curb on the side, so they know I've been here.
Look, Nicole here. Oh my.
Oh, is it here?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. You like it? Yeah. Please film this here. AutoFinesse here on the back. Detailer's fuel. Do you know what it means? Detailer's fuel is for the detailer. Yeah.
How's your day been, Gareth?
Absolutely bloody marvellous. Really enjoyed it. But I'm also looking forward to getting this packed up, go for a little steak, a couple of pinties, and then we go again. Out on an adventure. Get lost in there.
So many straps. How many straps this guy's got? Look. Ratchet straps, everything. Look, what are these?
You just saw that? Oh my god.
for a mate.
Just waiting for a mate.
I'm silly. Oh, wait, you can say something like I'm working for AutoFinesse.
Exactly.
Oh, my eyes! Oh my god!
So we are here and we are ready to go to the final event of our Worthersee trip. It's been back-to-back madness. Who's tired?
It will be amazing. You will see this event be sold out in 2 hours or 3 hours. What do you think, Nicole?
I'd say 3.
He's on a different wavelength. He talks to himself in his head.
Right. I look at the camera. Is this on the camera or what?
Yeah, it's on camera.
Hello, guy. Hello. Hello. Look. Hello.
Yeah, that's kind of why it's been a long trip so far.
Team AF. Smile, Peyton. Smile.
Here we are then at the event that we travelled all this way for. Yes, it is XS Car Night. As you can see behind me, the stand's all set and we're joined by a whole host of our Team AF family. We're going to take a walk around and give you a behind the scenes look at what this show has to offer. Let's go. Final day in Worthersee for us and the team. It feels like we've been here 5 minutes, but we've been here like 4 or 5 days now. Today's a bit more of a chilled one. The sun's out for us. We have got the XS final event. Then we've been invited to the Wörthersee party, and apparently we've been invited to another meet at 9:30 later on. So it's going to be a bit of a hectic day. Hoping to see some more cool cars. Every day more and more cars have been turning up. It's like double the amount from one day to another to another. Today feels like proper old school Worthersee vibes. The place is absolutely rammed. Loads of cool Mark 1, Mark 2 Golfs, which, as you know, is my thing. So we're going to get up there, see what this first show holds. Maybe if it's hot enough, one of these guys thinks they're going to do a backflip into the lake. We'll film that if it happens. And yeah, let's see what the day brings.
You drink a cup in the morning. What's that? Iced tea. Iced tea because I like it. It's smooth, it's not jiggling. It's like sparkling.
that brings our trip to Worthersee to a close. It's been a while since we've been here. I'm really glad that it's back. Overall, we had a fantastic time. Police presence weren't too bad. I know people are always scared of that. Our plate's going to get took, a car's going to get seized, are we going to get fined? Yeah, all of that can happen if you're acting wrong or your car's fully illegal. But we got pulled over a couple of times, no major issues. Couple of advisories, they said yellow headlights are not allowed here, so fine, we rectified that. Number plates in windscreens are no good, so we rectified that. But overall, it was really good. The events we went to, the vibe was absolutely perfect, and everything going on around the lake, all the small pop-up meets and the ad hoc things that just kick off, it's amazing. Feldon High Street last night was absolutely pucker, 100. Okay, not quite as many modified cars as back in the day, but I think people are here and still being tentative and careful, checking it out. We will definitely be back next year, but for now we've got to head back to the UK because next weekend we have players, then we're off to Germany for Camber at Mendig to Hell, and then we have one weekend and then it's out to Ultrace. And in between all that time, I've still got a car to finish, which I've not even showed you yet, which will be on the channel soon. So yeah, wish us a safe trip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. That's for you. I'm going to send you a big bag of products anyway, but you have some shampoo, some polish and some spray wax.
Fine.
See you next year.
See you next year. Bye bye.